Hello everyone and welcome to Seattle Coffee Gear's annual gift guide video series. I'm Tara.
And I'm Sean.
We're here to caffeinate your holiday season in style. Today we'll be diving into the world of espresso, and boy do we have a lineup that is amazing for gift ideas to talk about. But before we get into that, we've brewed up something special to get us started, an espresso martini. So you need to definitely check out this recipe on our Instagram at Seattle Coffee Gear. Let's try it. I mean,
cheers.
This is made by our in-house barista Kim, who's amazing.
Oh, that's good.
That tastes
That's
like
really
coffee
good.
and fun things. So, Sean, can you tell us a little bit about what we have going on here? Because this all looks really fancy and amazing.
I mean, this is a really exciting espresso setup with brand new products that launched really recently. Right here we have the Bello Plus. Looks really familiar to the old Bello. We've actually got the same design for the body here, but some serious upgrades.
Serious upgrades.
Yeah. We've added PID, which is a temperature control for the home barista that really wants to dial in like precise temperatures and getting things out. In addition, that PID has a shot timer, a controlled eco mode for when you want to let your machine rest, but you maybe are coming back for a second cup later. In addition, other really cool improvements that have gone on with this machine. A bottomless portafilter now comes standard with the Bello, as well as a larger drip tray. So that way, if there are any spills, the machine will help you take care of it to keep your kitchen tidy.
And we have white, but what other colors?
And this guy comes in white, stainless steel, and black.
So fits any style.
Exactly.
And then we have other things here. So tell us about this amazing grinder.
Yeah. Also brand new grinder from Eureka, the Libra. As opposed to other grinders that are in the series that measure their volume in time, this one actively has a scale involved and measures in weight. So for the barista who wants to save a little bit of time in their dial-in, you find that perfect espresso, and then it's already going to dose the exact right amount, so that way you have the amount of coffee that you want to serve with.
And this fancy amazing block here.
Yeah. This is the Knockbox from St. Anthony's Industries. It is a really, really wonderful Knockbox that both has storage for your distributor and your tamper, as well as a place to tamp and knock your espresso pucks.
And then obviously, we do fresh coffee.
Our fresh coffee, and these two coffees I fully recommend for the new home barista. Sugar Bee from Tony's and Bear Hug from Dogwood. Both are really kind to people who are new at brewing espresso. A little over-extracted, a little under-extracted. These coffees are still going to be palatable and delicious, which is awesome.
And then you have two other things over here.
Yes, yeah. Calling out right here, the Acaia Lunar espresso scale. It is an awesome espresso scale. Lots of professional optimization, timers, weight-based sensors, an app that'll graph all of your coffee needs. And then finally, at the end there, we have our volumetric measurement shot glass from Rhino Espresso for folks that want to maybe not mess with the scale every single day, but just want to get a good visual cue on when their espresso's ready.
And obviously we have an espresso martini here. Can I make an espresso martini in the Bello Plus?
I mean, you can definitely make the espresso. Really straightforward and good.
I can't make the whole thing.
Yeah. And it's just as straightforward as like tamping your shot and getting a pull of great espresso, maybe into your measured shot glass, so you can get your cocktail recipe right on. Go in a shaker from there. Yeah.
So that's all we have for you today. Remember, if you'd like to try our amazing espresso martini, head over to our Instagram at Seattle Coffee Gear. We have all these delicious details waiting for you. And a big thank you to each and every one of you for always joining us on our videos, because you should be. If you enjoyed this video and want more coffee goodness in your life, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Plus, in the holiday spirit, here's a little gift from us to you, a 10% discount when you subscribe to our email newsletter. So make sure you're on the list for exclusive coffee tips, product updates, and so much more. Have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Cheers.